Let niggas live. Got a little Jordan. Look, I got the fucking Jordan logo right there, my nigga. What y'all talking about? Y'all see me, nigga? Got the Jordan logo hanging right there in the space. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is different. You see Jordan dunking right in the middle of my shit, nigga. Y'all see MJ? Oh, my nigga, I got the logo right there, like. It's 2019. I don't know what year y'all in. It's 2019, man. Y'all still living in the past, man. This ain't makeup, my nigga. Niggas keep talking about stop using makeup, and this ain't makeup. This look like makeup to you? Shit ain't no fucking makeup. It's not makeup, man. This ain't makeup. Talk to the people, man. See what's up with the people and shit. This ain't makeup, man. Niggas be hating on, man. Niggas be waiting on a nigga down for, cuz. I'm gonna decline. Niggas get scared, son. This ain't no motherfucking makeup. Where you see makeup at? I just want niggas to know where you see makeup at, like. It's talking crazy, son. Be understanding. I don't be understanding, like. Shit crazy out here.
Yo, some nut shit, Patch. It's all up in here, yo. All up in here, yo. Yeah?
What happened?
It's all up in here, yo. It's makeup. Take it off, yeah?
You need to put makeup on that forehead.
Nah.
Forehead crazy big. You got some nerve. Nigga, you need some hair on your fucking forehead. Nigga, you need the same hairline I got. Fuck she talking about? It's all up in here. You got a lot of it all up in here. The nerve of some people telling you what to do. Look in the mirror before you speak, man. Let me borrow some forehead, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Shit was crazy. Shit was crazy, my nigga. Like, fuck wrong with her? Like, I'm Gucci. Like.
Hey, I like that.
Huh?
No, I said it's not. I like that.
You like it?
Yeah, it's different.
I appreciate you, my brother.
No, that's what I said. I mean, ain't nothing. Your hairline there. At least it ain't pushed back.
Exactly. It's never gonna be pushed back, as you can see.
Yeah, that's nice. I mean, what is it like? How much do it cost to get a hairline though? When you go get it?
How much does it cost to get a hair? Well, usually I do it myself. I did my shit. Then I did my son's shit. We saving money right here. We young kings. Black.
Can you show us the picture of your son again? Can you pull up the picture?
Yeah. Hold on. Where he at?
Yeah, and that's why I seen it went viral. That ain't cool.
That's my son. Yeah.
Come a little closer.
Come a little. Me?
Yeah.
Right here. Look.
Right there. Hold on. Back up a little bit. Yeah, I can see it.
Come on now.
And that's why I say, and it's fucked up that your baby mama said that it wasn't your son.
She said that?
Yeah, she was talking about that. She don't know why you posted that video. That ain't your real son. And I'm like, bro, they look just alike. Y'all gotta go to Morton.
My baby mother said that's not my son.
She was on live and she was talking about the video you just uploaded. She said that that's not your son. She keep trying to tell you it's not yours, but I can see it.
Anybody can see with eyes. That's my son. I don't know what that bitch talking about.
You ain't gotta hold on. Don't.
I'm sorry. Here. My bad. Nah. I'm not against you, but you know she always.
But y'all look just alike.
Thank
Turn
you,
to the side. Turn to the side a little bit.
What, this way?
Yeah, right there. Hold on.
Yeah.
Look, not a 90-degree angle. 90 degrees. Hold on. Turn a little bit more. Like a mug shot. Right there. Yeah, right there. You look just look. Yep. Yeah. See?
That's my son.
That is your son.
Come on, man. I ain't got nothing to prove to nobody, man. You know.
When the last time you seen him?
Been a couple of days. Know what I'm saying? I can't really remember.
You sure it was a couple of days? You stuttered a little bit. You sure?
I can't really remember. Know what I'm saying? I can't really remember.
But you seen the picture go viral and you just had to step up because you didn't like that.
Right. Absolutely. That's my job.
What's his name?
Huh?
What's his name?
Beltron.
Who?
Beltron.
What, that's your son name?
Yeah, Beltron.
She said his name was Tyree.
No, his name is Don't listen to her, man. Like, don't listen to nothing.
But she said his name is Tyree. You don't know his name?
Listen, man. His name is Beltron.
I mean, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know it's your son. I'm just saying you've been gone for a while.
On the birth certificate, she named him whatever, but I call him Beltron. Beltron Jr.
So when you pat your chest, you mean that?
That's a fact.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get on her live. I'm about to get on there right now and go talk to her. So y'all go check out the video he got, and y'all put what y'all feel like if that's his son or not, and y'all just check his face because to me, y'all look just alike. Scoot in a little bit more. Do this. Hold on. Yeah, everybody screenshot that right now. Hold on, do it. Yeah, that's you. But I'm about to go talk to her and try to get him back to you. I'm going to try to work it out. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to come back and I'm going to rap with you.
Appreciate you, man.
Man, all right, bro. Man, keep it up, bro. Bro, don't let him, Yeah, and that girl that came on here talking shit, she was wrong.
Yeah, her and her forehead was wrong. Shoot.
Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and leave, man. Y'all, we got to get this together and get him back to his son. Y'all look just alike.
Fight the power, my brother.
All right, man.
Come on now. I ain't going to lie to y'all. Shout out to my nigga Joey Crack, the Don.